Morning.
Morning.
Just have a look at this gorgeous weather.
I'm Richard.
I'm Jackie,
We're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
and we're in the Lake District, and we're about to head up Scafell Pike, Scafell and Lingmel.
We're so lucky. We're here for the week, house sitting and a bit longer, and the weather's set for the week. Cold conditions, blue skies, and maybe a little bit of snow, fingers crossed. Morning.
So we're on a short walk today, as yesterday we walked for miles. We did Scafell Pike, Scafell, Lingmel.
Yeah, our legs are really tired. It was a cracking mountain day yesterday, amazing conditions, almost too amazing. And when we got up to the top of Scafell Pike, we were wanting to go and do Lord's Rake, but it was just too icy. It's a big gully, too icy. So then we had to go down and then back up to get up and over Scafell and home.
Actually, that was it. It was really hard. It was hard going all that way down. We had to go about halfway down, about 400 metres to go back up again. But we went up
Mickledore, wasn't it?
Mickledore, but yeah, and it was still quite a little bit of a scramble up in the icy rocks, but nothing dangerous.
So we had a lovely night last night. Bit of home cooked food, open fire, relaxed. And plotted out where we're going over the next few days. So we're on a lazy one today. We're just picking off one little Wainwright, but it's meant to have really good views at the top. You remember what it's called?
I think it's called Buckbarrow.
Looking forward to it, but it should be a quick up and down. Catch you later.
Bye.
Morning.
Morning.
It's a cold one this morning.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to have got down to about -3, -4 in the night.
So we popped out of the house and you'll have seen, having had a look at the video from yesterday, we were only going to have a short walk, but we decided that once we were up there,
We could see the next Wainwright, that we would have had to go a long way out of our way to get it another day. So we decided we'd go for it, but it meant that that was a 10k walk instead of a 4k walk.
but sea toller, it was worth it. It
Wasn't
was.
even sea toller.
Was it?
No.
It was
Sea tallet, maybe? Definitely wasn't sea toller.
Anyway, it was worth it. And this morning, our legs are feeling it. So we're having a day out at Keswick. Not planning on filming too much, but because we don't like filming around crowds. But we'll try and get some footage of by the lakes and try and get some good photography.
Yep, I'm also going to get a nice pint in one of the pubs.
Happy days.
Bye.
So we've come to the end of our first few days in the lakes and we've hit a couple of milestones.
I've been trying to do the Everest challenge, where you can climb the equivalent of Mount Everest in a certain time span. I started on 2 or 3 years ago. We did 3 Everests last year. And my aim this year was to do 4 Everests. But actually, when I added everything up the other day, because we've been moving and we'd moved to the Yorkshire Dales where there's lots of hills and we'd been for lots of little walks, they've all added up. And actually I'm on 4.5 Everests at the moment, and I might even make 5.
So that's a lot of climbing. Each Everest is, we'll put the numbers.
About 8,800 metres.
So we were saying that's about, well, over 32 kilometres of vertical, which is pretty impressive. So
yeah,
you don't really need a gym. You just need to get out and walk and make sure that you've got something to measure how high you walk. And then the other milestone, which is a really strange one, and we never talk about it on the channel at all, and we purposely made the decision right from the start that we were never ever going to ask people to like or subscribe like seemingly everyone else does on YouTube, because that's just not really why we're doing it. But we woke up the other morning, 2 mornings ago, and we'd hit 500 subscribers, and that was just so lovely.
That was quite strange that 500 people want to watch what we say.
It was just really nice to know that, you know, some people are hooking into what we're doing and some people are interested in what we're doing, because we're just doing what we're doing and trying to make it work.
Yeah, and the bit I do like actually is the nice comments that people have been saying, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you. We're ever so grateful. It gave us a lovely warm feeling in our heart, and yeah, it was just really nice.
Yeah.
So we're steeling ourselves now. Next video, we've had a day of rest today, having a wander around Keswick.
Yeah.
And we're already planned for where we're going tomorrow, because this weather is just going and going and going. It's really, really good.
Yeah, the weather forecast for the next week is amazing. There might even be a little bit of snow on the hills tomorrow because we're going a bit lower.
But it's just blue skies, sunshine, crisp conditions. See you later.
Bye.